Windows 10 comes with a pack of built-in fonts, but you can enhance your text by adding new fonts. Those fonts are usually free and available for download from various websites, and I want to show you how this can be easily done. To see the list of available fonts, click the Start menu, then click Settings, click Personalization, and then click Fonts. Here you can see all the fonts that are installed on your system. You can browse through them. Clicking a font will show you all the different variations of that specific font. The text in this file is using the Calibri font. This website is a very good source of free fonts for download. Choose your favorite font and click the download button to download it. Open the downloaded file and double-click the TrueType font file to view it. To install the font, simply click the Install button. Your font is now installed. Now let's go back to our file and adjust the text to use the new font. Select your text and choose your new font from the list. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.